How to create avatars with Google Gemini Omni. Want to design custom avatars using Google Gemini Omni? Let's create one step by step. So first, go ahead and head over to this website. And then go ahead and select Gemini 1.5 Omni as your model. Omni supports multi-model prompts, mixing text and images. Write a clear prompt. So for example, create a cartoon avatar of a young professional with glasses, minimalist style, pastel colors suitable for profile picture. Run the prompt in AI Studio, Playground, or via API. Gemini Omni will generate your avatar image. Export your avatar as PNG or JPEG. Use it for social media, YouTube thumbnails, TikTok profiles, or branding. For advanced customization, upload a reference photo. Gemini Omni can stylize it into an avatar. You can also request transparent backgrounds for easy editing. The fastest workflow is sign in, set Omni, write prompt, generate, and export. This ensures avatars are ready for faceless creator branding.